Hey guys, thank you and welcome to Random Repair and Restoration. Today we're gonna look at this Citroen H-van 72 model. It's gonna be a future project here on the channel. Yeah, as you can see inside there's quite a lot of stuff here. We've been using it as a shed for the last 4 years. The car looks in decent shape, of course needs some work. This Citroen is also known as the H-van. It's produced by the French car manufacturer Citroen from 47 to 81. The H-72 is about 6 meters long, 225 meters wide, 277 meters tall. It's a wheelbase of 385 and weighs about 1900 kilos. I think this one has a 1.9 liter gasoline engine, somewhere between 50 and 75 horsepower. It has been used for a variety of commercial purposes, including a delivery van, food truck, mobile workshops, sliding door on the sides and double rear doors for easy loading and unloading cargo. It's pretty basic interior. It's minimal seating and simple controls. I think the brake's not working. Here we can see the oil tank, and we'll open it and see. I'll give a better view. If I don't remember incorrect, there was some fluid under the car, so I guess there is some leak somewhere. I think it was repaired for this similar leak a few years ago as well. Let's have a look at the pedals. The clutch should work, as I drove it from the person I bought it from. Everything was okay. Yeah, and it feels good. The brakes, yeah, there's nothing in it. Pedal to the floor. I think maybe it's just scrubbing against the plate, the floor plate. Today it's a popular vehicle for collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate its unique design. I wouldn't call myself an enthusiast, but I really want to bring this car back to a working condition. I'm gonna try restore and weld new plates if I need to. I'm gonna fix all the small issues. This car has a lot of them. Yeah, I think this is for the heater or some kind of muffler. And this is the alternator. And the starter. Yeah, there are some small leaks kind of everywhere. The fuses seem okay. I'm not sure what these are for, but they should work. And this car is started with a key and a push button. Turn the key, press the button, and that way it starts. And this lever, I think this lever is for the heater, so you can turn on and off the heater into the car, but it's obviously broken. It's at least it's not stuck. If you pull it out and back, then it works. And these buttons are, well, maybe they're just, I think maybe they're just lights. And this, it looks like it's for some lights, but if I don't remember incorrect, it's a choke. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a choke. This one, I have no clue what this is for. And you have some compartment for storing stuff. Oh well, maybe not for storing stuff, I think. And well, I'm not sure. I don't think this is in a compartment. I think this is for air, to get air into the car, fresh air. There's some sunglasses here, some cool ones. Yes, I'll just put these back where they belong for the next driver. Yeah. Yeah, as you can see, you just screw it out and push it in. I think something was loose there, but you just screw it up, push it in, and you open for the clean air. Yeah, let's just leave that for now. And of course, old car, you need an ashtray, working long days. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe some sort of filter, or well, it's connected some electricity to it. Well, I'm not sure. Before I was always starting it with some starter gas, but there actually is a pump for the gas. So you just push it away. Oh yeah, like this, and you just pump the fuel into the carburetor. The throttle linkage works, seems to work just fine. And there is a distributor. It's a four cylinder. Yeah, and say the clutch linkage seems to work. And the gears on this one is quite different than normal. I think first gear is to the bottom right, reverse top right, and then you have second gear top left and third gear bottom left. I can't really get it into reverse, probably just in between two teeth in the gearbox. So it should really work. A common problem with this is that the shift lever breaks. It doesn't pivot in the bottom, you have to push the whole thing to the right. For another project, I'm gonna build a mini bike. Okay, we can take a little better look at that later if you want to. Let's get outside and look at the van. And the car has really bad paint job. You can open a hatch behind, and there are two more doors, so you can get into it easy with whatever cargo you have. I think there is quite a lot of rust. I hope it's not too much and too bad, but definitely gotta do something. Seems like it had some coating before, or if this is just some paint. The rust, it seems solid, but you never know when you start banging on it with a hammer. Is that I think that's a brake line. Yeah, and as you can see, there's tons of rust, but I just gotta clean it up and brush it off and see how deep the rust is. Usually the floors on these, they're sandwich floors, so it rusts in between. So the top and the bottom plate might be okay, but the sandwich in between is just rotted away. There's so much stuff. But it feels solid. It feels okay. At least this part of it. I'm not sure around this is a place where water always, or a lot of times, come in. Oh yeah, it's a lot of rust. It's a lot of rust. I guess it's just as bad on the inside as well. Well, I gotta get everything out of here. But it's too cold now. This is gonna be a project that I'm gonna take up on this channel. I'm hoping to put out at least one movie each month. Well, I hope you just want to support me. Check out my Patreon, and of course subscribe and click a like on this video, and hope you're gonna learn something same as me. Tag along for the journey of this Citroen HY 72. See you later. Oh, it's another engine. Oh, a little bit larger one. Yeah, this I'm gonna take it all out a bit later, and I'll give you a full peek, a list over all the parts later. And what's in this one? Gas tank and some gaskets. Another one. Yeah, a lot of screws. Yeah, and as you notice, I'm not used to talking to the camera. I hope I'm gonna get you more used to it. My English isn't that good, and I'm gonna try work out finding the correct words, but hopefully I'll get better at it in the future. It's not my native language, as you can hear, but I'll try to do my best. And of course my filmmaking, what you want to see, I'm not sure yet. So I have to work on my videographing, maybe get a better setup for my camera. I don't know yet, because this is the first time I'm filming something like this. You may have seen some of my other restoration and repair movies. I don't really like to talk, but I like making videos like the ones I like to see. And of course the ones I see are a lot better than mine, but I'm getting better. I think I'm getting better each time, learning something new. I have to sort it out and put it all out on a bench, trying to figure out if there is enough parts for building the bike. The guy I bought it from told me that everything should be here, along with a lot of more parts than was needed. So, well, this is another project. I'm gonna take a quick peek on the other ones that are coming up later. Oh, there's so much. Yeah. This is a tractor that I bought. The engine works. There is no cutting pan, and it has no what do you call it? It doesn't drive. Something with the belts, I think. Missing belts. And this one I'm going to restore. There's quite a lot of rust. Superficial rust. And yeah. Keep it going. I have a couple of these heat washers, high pressure heat washer on diesel fuel, and this one, I think it works. It just needs a tune-up. It's a snowblower, small one for terraces and stuff like that. And well, this tractor came without an engine. This is an engine I picked from just regular lawnmower. Everything should be here, and this motor is probably too small, but I'll either try this one, see if it works, or I'll just go get a bigger one if I can find one. So these are some of the upcoming. Yeah, this is the last one. This lost pressure. I think it's just the, I don't know what you call the part that, let's see if we can open it. Possible to open. Yeah, I picked off the pump, or the pressure pump. I think I don't the valves. The valves are disintegrated, so I need to pick up some new valves for it and test it. I hope the coil is good. I'm not sure. Yeah, that's one for the later.